Hey everyone, you're watching ITUke 24/7, a one-stop platform for all your technical issues, and today's video is going to be about Discord's login issue. Whenever you try to log in to Discord account on any new device, the error says new login location detected. Please check your email. So I will talk about how you can easily fix that. So if you are interested, stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright, so first of all you have to go to discord.com to log into your account, or you can even use the Discord web app or mobile app for that matter. So here I'm going to use my Google Chrome browser. Alright, now first of all you have to go to discord.com and then simply click on login. After that you just have to normally log in, and I will show you how the error message looks like. Now click on login after entering the details. So first it will show you welcome back. Simply select I'm human. Then you have to pass this test as well. So you have to click on each image containing a motor bus. So yeah, as you can see, the error message appeared on the screen. I will zoom it out for you. So it says email or phone number, new login location detected, please check your email. So that's the error message. Now what you need to do is you simply have to log into your Gmail address that is linked to your Discord account. Alright, so here I am already logged in, and as you can see I have just received an email from Discord that says, hey user, it looks like someone tried to log into your Discord account from a new location. If this is you, follow the link below to authorize logging in from this location on your account, and if this is not you, we suggest changing your password. So this error message will appear whenever you will try to use Discord on any new device, or even if you are using incognito mode, then also you will see this error message. Alright, so what you need to do is you will get this option verify login. Simply click on that. So yeah, as you can see, IP address authorized login. Now if you will go back to the previous page and if you will click on login now, it will allow you to easily log into your Discord account, as you can see right here on the screen. So this is very easy to fix this issue. Whenever you are getting this error, new login location detected, you just have to log into your email, simply verify your login. Alright, and then you will be able to use Discord normally. That was all for this topic. I hope you found it helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my latest videos. You can also visit my website, that is ituke247.com, where I post similar content. Thank you for watching.